This is living. I wonder what the poor chickens are doing today.
Telegram for Mr. Foghorn Leghorn.
Telegram? Now, who'd be sending me a telegram? Put out the welcome mat for your old college chum, Rhode Island Red. Stop. We'll drop in on you Friday. Signed, Red. Oh, no, not Rhode Island Red. I had enough of that bird-brained loudmouth in college to last me the rest of my life. Drop in Friday. Hey, today's Friday. I better get going. I got a few arrangements to make for my old college chum's arrival. I'd just like to see Red try to drop in on me now.
Here's Red!
Red? Why, you...
Foggy old goat, give me the grip. Same old Foggy, always putting on women's hats. Anything for a laugh. I wore a carnation, so you'd know me. Har, har, hardy, har, har. Foggy old palsy-walsy, you're a card.
I've got to get rid of this cornball before he palsy-walsies me to death.
Well, what do we got here? Girls. Who's got all the girlies chasing him around? Freddie the freshman, the freshest kid in town. Who wrecks all the parties, turns them upside down. Freddie the freshman, the freshest kid in town.
I say so long, Red.
So long, Foggy.
Goodbye, old friend. With a friend like you, I'll never need an enemy. Yeah.